Good morning to all. Last class we discussed about the multiple and submultiple angles, different types of problem by using the different types of formulas. That is multiple of angle and submultiple angles. Okay. Today's class we discuss the multiple and submultiple angles remaining problems. Okay. Now we see the objective. On the completion of this period, you would be able to understand the properties of trigonometric fractions of multiple and submultiple angles. Okay? State and prove the identities of trigonometric functions of 2a, 3a in terms of a. Okay? What is the objective is they understand the properties of trigonometric fractions of trigonometric functions of multiple and submultiple angles, state and prove the identities of trigonometric functions of 2a, 3a in terms of a. Okay. In the earlier class, you learned cos 2a formula and sin 2a formula, okay, and also tan 2a formula. But in this session, you learn expressing trigonometric ratios of given angle in terms of trigonometric ratios of multiple angle and multiple angle, submultiple angle, that is 3a in terms of a. Okay. Now we see the recap. Sin 2 theta is equal, we know that the formula is what? Sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a. So that here sin 2 theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. That is equal, and also we have to write the formula 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. The second formula is there, cos 2 theta is equal cos square theta minus sin square theta, and also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and also equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, and also equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Already we listened this type of formulas in the last class also. Okay. The same way, the tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta, and also cot 2 theta is equal cot square theta minus 1 by 2 cot theta. Okay. Already we know that this type of formulas. Further, you have learned that sin 22 and half is equal square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal cos 67.5 degrees. Here number 2, cos 22.5 is equal square root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is equal sin 67.5. Number 3, you have to observe tan 22.5 is equal root 2 minus 1 is equal cot 67.5 degrees. Number 4, cot 22.5 is equal root 2 plus 1 is equal tan 67.5 degrees. Okay. Alright. Now we see this one next line. Express sin A in terms of cos 2A. Okay. We know that cos 2A is equal 1 minus 2 sin square A. From here, 2 sin square A is equal 1 minus cos 2A. And also we have to write sin square A is equal 1 minus cos 2A divided by 2. Therefore, sin A is equal, we write square root of 1 minus cos 2A by 2. So that this is the formulas to comes from the cos 2A. Cos 2A is equal 1 minus 2 square, and also we have to write 2 sin square A is equal 1 minus cos 2A. From here also we have to write cos sin square A is equal 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Then this formula we have to use the different types of problems. Okay. The same way sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Here the next one, express cos A in terms of cos 2A. Express cos A in terms of cos 2A. We know that cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus 1. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus 1. From here, 2 cos square a, we have to write 1 plus cos 2a. And also we write cos square a is equal 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Therefore, cos a is equal root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Or clear? The same express cos a in terms of cos 2a sin a, the same way here express cos a in terms of cos 2a means cos 2a formula we have to apply 2 cos square a minus 1. From here 2 cos square a is equal 1 plus cos 2a and cos square a is equal 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Therefore, cos a is equal root of 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay. Alright. Now we see the next term. Express tan a in terms of cos 2a. Tan a is equal sin a by cos a. We know that this condition tan a is equal sin a by cos a. And also tan a is equal root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Therefore, tan a is equal root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a also possible. The next one, express sin 3a in terms of sin a. Sin 3a in terms of sin a. We know that sin 3a is equal sin of 2a plus a. Here we apply the sin of a plus b formula. What is the sin of a plus b formula? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here a is represent 2a, b is represent a. So that we write sin 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into sin a. Here sin 2a formula, how to write the sin 2a? We know that 2 sin a into cos a. So that 2 sin a into cos a means cos square a. Plus how to write the cos 2a formula? 1 minus 2 sin square a. We know that one formula is there cos 2a. That is we have to write 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. The next step we write 2 sin a in the place of cos square a. We write 1 minus sin square a. Okay, that is 2 sin a into 1 minus sin square a plus 1 into sin a minus 2 sin square a into sin a is equal to sin cube a. Now that is equal to sin a into 1 2 sin a minus 2 sin a into sin square a 2 sin cube a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. Here minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a cancel. So that 2 sin a plus sin a. Then write here sin 3a is equal 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Sorry, here not to be cancelled, the minus both are the same, so that it is not possible to the cancel, so that we get sin 3a is equal 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is also the one important formula, sin 3a. Sin 3a formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here express cos 3a in terms of cos a. We know that cos 3a, how to write? Cos of 2a plus a. Here also we have to apply the formula cos of a plus b. Now we apply the cos of a plus b formula, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now here the cos 2a is equal, we have to write 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a minus sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a into sin a. Now here 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a, we have to write 2 cos square a into cos a 2 cos cube a minus 1 into cos a minus cos a minus 2 sin a into sin a sorry minus 2 sin a into sin a 2 sin square a into cos a. Next step sorry 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 into In the place of sin square a, we have to write 1 minus cos square a into cos a. Now write 2 cos cube a minus cos a and minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into cos a plus cos cube a. Here cos 3a is equal to cos cube a plus cos cube a. 2 cos cube a, sorry, here mistake is there, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, now we see once again. Express cos 3a in terms of cos a. We know that cos 3a is equal cos of 2a plus a. Cos of a plus b formula. That is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Here a is represent 2a, b is represent a. So that in the place of cos 2a we have to write 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a minus sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a into sin a. Now here 2 cos square a into cos a, 2 cos cube a minus 1 into cos a minus cos a minus 2 sin a into sin a minus 2 sin square a into cos a. Now 2 cos cube a minus cos a. In the place of sin square a we have to write 1 minus cos square a into cos a. We get here 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a and 2 cos cube a. So that we get the cos 3a is equal 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay. Now we see the another one. Express tan 3a in terms of tan a. We have tan 3a is equal tan of 2a plus a. Now here a is represent 2a, b is represent a. Now we have to apply the formula tan 2a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. That is equal tan 2a formula. How to write the formula? 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan 2a again 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a into tan a. Tan 3a is equal to tan a. We have to do the simplification and doing the LCM part we get 2 tan a plus tan a into 1 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a. And also we have to total divided by 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. Also divided by 1 minus tan square a. Here 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a cancel. Then tan 3a is equal 2 tan a plus tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. That is tan 3a is equal 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is also one formula. Tan 3a formula is 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay. Now we write express cot 3a in terms of cot a. Cot 3a is equal cot 2a plus a. Cot of a plus b formula we have to apply. Cot 2a into cot a minus 1 by cot a plus cot 2a. Okay. Now here cot 2a formula cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a into cot a by 1 minus 1 total is divided by cot a plus cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. That is equal, we have to do the LCM part, we get cot cube a minus cot a minus 2 cot a by 2 cot a divided by 2 cot square a plus cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. The finally we have to get cot 3a is equal 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a. Okay. Now we see the example problems. Listen carefully, this is an important problem. Show that sin theta is equal sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta and reduce the value of sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees. Okay. Now we have to take the RHS part. Sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta is equal, we know that sin 3 theta formula. What is the formula? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So that we have to write in the place of sin 3 theta 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 2 theta formula. What is the cos 2 theta formula? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. that is equal, we have to take the numerator part, sin theta take outside common, sin theta into 3 minus 4 sin square theta divided by 1 plus 2, we get 3 minus 4 sin square theta. Here 3 minus 4 sin square theta by 3 minus 4 sin square theta cancel. That is equal, we get sin 3 theta. Therefore, sin 3 theta divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta is equal to sin theta. Here, substitute theta is equal 15 degrees in the above equation. That is, sin 15 degrees is equal sin of 3 into 15 degrees divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2 into 15 degrees. That is equal sin 3 into 15, sin 45 degrees, sin 45 degrees divided by 1 plus 2 cos 30 degrees. Okay, we know that sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. So that 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Now we have to do the LCM part, we get 1 by root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Now we can do the rationalization, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That is equal root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. We get the result is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, the value of sin 15 degrees. Okay, now we see the example 2. Prove that cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta divided by sin theta is equal to 3. Here we have to take the LHS, cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta divided by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta divided by sin theta. That is equal cos cube theta minus, what is the cos theta formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. We have to substitute here, plus sin cube theta, and also we know that sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. That is total is divided by cos theta and sin theta. That is equal cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta minus into minus plus 3 cos theta, and also divided by cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 3 sin cube theta by sin theta. Here 3 cos theta minus, here cos cube theta is there, minus 4 cos cube theta is there. So that we have to write minus 3 cos cube theta divided by cos theta plus 3 sin theta, we have to take the common, 1 minus sin square theta is there divided by sin theta. Now here also we have to take the common 3 cos theta outside, we get 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta plus 3 cos square theta. Here sin theta cancel, 1 minus sin square theta is equal cos square theta, that is equal 3 cos square theta. The next step we write 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta we get. Here we have to take the common 3 outside, sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that the fundamental principle of the trigonometry, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that in the place of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we get 3 into 1, 3. Okay. Once again you see here, prove that cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta by sin theta is equal to 3, we have to prove. That's why we have to write in the place of cos 3 theta, we apply the formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. In the place of sin 3 theta, we have to apply the formula 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Here after getting the simplification, we have to take the common of cos theta and sin theta. We get 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that condition sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is equal 3 into 1, 3. Okay. Now we see the example 3. Show that sin theta into sin of 60 minus theta Sine of 60 plus theta is equal 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Now we have to take the LHS part, sine theta into sine of 60 minus theta and sine of 60 plus theta. We have sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b is equal sine square a minus sine square b. Using this condition, sine theta into sine of 60 minus theta sine of 60 plus theta is equal sine theta into sine square 60 minus sine square theta is there. Here we have to take the sine theta common. We know that sine square 60 value. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So the root 3 by 2 whole square minus sine square theta. That is equal sine theta into what is the value of root 3 by 2 whole square? We get 3 by 4. So the 3 by 4 minus sine square theta. Now we can do the LCM part. We get 1 by 4 sine theta into 3 minus 4 sine square theta. That is equal, we write 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta by 4. Now here 1 by 4 take outside common. We know that 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is equal to sine 3 theta. So that finally we have to get 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. Okay. Here you have to apply the formula is what? Sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b, that is equal sine square a minus sine square a minus sine square b. Okay. Now we see the example 4. Show that cos theta into cos of 60 minus theta into cos of 60 plus theta is equal 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Here LHS equal cos theta into cos of 60 minus theta cos of 60 plus theta. We have cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. We know that the formula is what? Cos square b minus sin square a. Using this condition, cos theta into cos of 60 minus theta cos of 60 plus theta is equal cos theta into cos square theta minus sin square 60. Here in the place of sin square 60 we know that root 3 by 2 whole square. That is equal cos theta into cos square theta minus root 3 by 2 whole square equal 3 by 4. We can do the LCM part. We get cos theta into 4 cos square theta minus 3 is equal 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 4. Now here 1 by 4 take outside. The remaining value is what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. That is equal, we get 1 by 4 cos 3 theta is the RHS part. Okay, clearly? Now we go to the another problem. Example 5. Prove that tan a into tan pi by 3 into tan pi by 3 minus a is equal to tan 3a. Now we have to take the LHS part, tan a into tan pi by 3 plus a tan pi by 3 minus a. That is equal tan a into, we have to apply tan of a plus b formula. That is tan of pi by 3 plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan pi by 3 into tan a into tan pi by 3 minus tan a divided by 1 plus tan pi by 3 to tan a. That is equal tan a into, what is the tan pi by 3? 180 by 3, tan 60 degrees. What is the value? Root 3. So the root 3 plus tan a divided by 1 minus root 3 tan a into the same root 3 minus tan a divided by 1 plus root 3 into tan a. Tan a into 3 minus tan square a by 1 minus 3 tan square a, since a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. From using that condition we have to write 3 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. That is equal, we have to write 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. That is the formula of tan 3a. This is RHS part. Now we see the next problem. Express cos 6 theta in terms of cos theta, or prove that cos 6 theta is equal 32 cos power 6 theta minus 48 cos power 4 theta plus 18 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, cos 6 theta is equal, we have to write cos 2 into 3 theta. We have cos 2a formula. What is the cos 2a formula? 2 cos square a minus 1. Using this, cos 6 theta is equal cos 2 into 3 theta is equal to cos square 3 theta minus 1. Here 2 into cos square 3 theta value is what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole square. Because cos 3a formula we know that 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a minus 1. Now here 2 into a minus b whole square we have to expand 16 cos power 6 theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 24 cos power 4 theta of minus 1. Now we have to multiply with 2. We get 2 into 16, 32 cos power 6 theta minus 48 cos power 4 theta plus 18 cos square theta minus 1. That is a RHS part. Now next problem. Prove that cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta is equal cos 2 theta into 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Okay. Here we have to take the LHS part. LHS is equal cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta is equal. We have to write cos square theta to the power of 3 minus sin square theta to the power of 3. Now here a cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now using that concept cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta whole square plus sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta sin square theta. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to what? Cos 2 theta. So that we have to write cos 2 theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2 cos square theta and sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin square theta. We have a square plus b square is equal a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now here the cos 2 theta into 1 minus cos square theta into sin square theta. The next step we write cos 2 theta into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 4. We have to both numerator and denominator multiply with 4. We get 1 by 4 into 4 cos square theta sin square theta. Now the next step is cos 2 theta into 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta. That is the RHS of the given problem. Prove that 4 into cos cube 10 degrees plus sin cube 10 degrees is equal 3 into cos 10 degrees plus sin 20 degrees. Now we have to take the LHS. 4 into cos cube 10 plus sin cube 10 is equal. We have to multiply with 4 cos cube 10 plus 4 sin cube 20. We have cos 3a is equal 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a is equal cos 3a plus 3 cos a. And sin 3a is equal 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. That implies 4 sin cube a is equal 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Using this 4 cos cube 10 plus 4 sin cube 20 degrees. That is equal cos of 3 into 10 degrees plus 3 cos 10 degrees plus 3 sin 20 degrees minus sin 3 into 20 degrees. Okay, now cos 30 degrees plus 3 cos 10 degrees plus 3 sin 20 degrees minus sin 3 into 20 60 degrees, sin 60 degrees is there. Now here cos 30 value is root 3 by 2 plus 3 cos 10 plus 3 sin 20 minus sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Now we have to plus 3 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 cancel. We have to take the common 3 outside. We get cos 10 degrees plus sin 20 degrees. This is a RHS part. Now see here, next problem. Prove that sin 80 theta equal to 8 sin theta into cos 2 theta cos theta. Here we write solution. RHS is equal, LHS equal 8 sin theta cos 4 theta is there. That is equal 4 into 2 sin theta cos theta and cos 2 theta cos 4 theta. That is equal 4 into sin 2 theta means 4 into sin 2 theta and cos theta cos 4 theta. And 2 into 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta cos 4 theta. And also we have to write 2 sin 2 of 2 theta cos 4 theta. Then write 2 into sin 4 theta cos theta equal sin 2 of 4 theta. We get sin 8 theta. that is a RHS part. Now see the next problem. Without using tables, prove that sin 10, sin 50 degrees, sin 70 degrees is equal 1 by 8. We know that sin theta into sin 60 minus theta plus sin into sin 60 plus theta is equal 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Substitute theta is equal 10 degrees. That is, in the place of theta we have to substitute 10 degrees sin 10 degrees sin 60 minus 10 degrees sin 60 plus 10 degrees. So that 1 by 4 into sin 3 of 10 degrees. Sin 10 degrees, sin 50, sin 70 is equal 1 by 4 of sin 30 degrees is equal 1 by 2. So that 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 we get 1 by 8. Now the summary is, in this period you learn 2 sin square a is equal 1 minus cos 2a. That implies sin a is equal root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2, and also cos a is equal root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Now here 2 cos square a is equal 1 plus cos 2a, and also tan a equal root of 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. Number 4, sin 3a is equal 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and cos 3a is equal 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a is equal 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Cot 3a is equal 3 cot a minus cot cube a divided by 1 minus 3 cot square a. Okay, these are all formulas are very important to solve the different types of problem. Okay, now we see the quiz. Sin 3a. What is the formula of sin 3a? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. The option is B. Okay. Number 2, 2 sin square a. How to write the 2 sin square a? 1 minus cos 2a and 1 plus cos 2a, cos 2a minus 1, D is none of the above. That is option A, 1 minus cos 2a. Number 3 question, 2 cos square a is equal what? Cos 2a minus 1, 1 minus cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a, 1 plus cos a. That is option C is 1 plus cos 2a. Now you observe the previous examination questions. You observe the first one. Prove that sin x into sin 60 degrees minus x into sin 60 plus x is equal 1 by 4 sin 3x. We have to apply the formula sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Number 2, prove that cot theta minus tan theta is equal to cot 2 theta. Number 3, prove that cos 20, cos 30, cos 40, cos 80 equal root 3 by 60. You have to split in 2 degrees values like that. Cos 30 degrees, we know that cos 40 plus 20, cos 40 minus 20. That is cos 60 plus 20 and 60 minus 20. We get that cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b formula. Number 4, show that cos phi theta is equal 16 cos power phi theta minus 20 cos cube theta plus 5 cos theta. Okay. Number 5, if sin alpha is equal b cos alpha, then show that a sin 2 alpha plus b cos 2 alpha is equal to 5. Okay. These problems are very important to solve in the examination point of, so that multiple angle and submultiple angle problems. Okay, I remember that all the candidates clearly understanding these problems. Okay, yes, the next class we go to the next topic. Thank you very much.